Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamp ED YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about a admission notification from a central university. Here the university is Pondicherry University. It's a A grade accredited by NAC committee. So you can see that there are n number of courses which is starting from integrated courses. Those who have completed 12th standard, they can apply for this integrated courses. It is MA or MSc in applied geology, chemistry, physics, computer science, mathematics, statistics, history, political science, sociology, social and economical administration, and law. See, so here comes the master degrees that you have in MA Anthropology, Economics, English, Comparative Literature, French Translation Interpretation, Hindi History, Human Rights and Inclusive Policy, Mass Communication, Philosophy, Politics and International Relations, Political Science, Sanskrit, Sociology, South Asian Studies, Tamil, Women Studies, and there are several MSc courses. You can see that here some specific courses I have read that disaster management, which is in Andaman Nicobar Islands, and then you can see that marine biology. So here comes the other specialized courses, LLM, MCA, and then MSW. So you can see that. So there are several other programs are available in the university, that is PhD programs. You can see that the doctoral programs in the departments anthropology, banking technology, biochemistry and molecular biology, bioinformatics, biotechnology, chemistry, commerce, computer science. You can see that several courses in the international business and management, sociology, statistics, tourism studies, everything is there. So you can see that some of the other campuses of the university, which is Vector Control Research Center, they are offering microbiology and zoology. Regional Medical Research Center, Port Blair, and you can see that Kanji Mamunivar Government Institute for Postgraduate Studies and Research, and Pondicherry Engineering College, PEC is also there. Sri Manakola Vinayagar Engineering College, and then Zoological Survey of India, Port Blair, they are offering ecology and then geography, and then Badidasan Government College for Women, Pondicherry, they are offering home sciences, and then Mother Teresa Postgraduate and Research Institute of Health Sciences, they are offering pharmacy and nursing, and then College of Nursing, Pondicherry Institute of Medical Sciences, they are offering nursing. So here comes, you can see that there are PG diploma courses, which is green energy technology, criminology and forensic science, intellectual property rights, and then there are several add-on courses. Those who enroll for the full-time courses, they can join for it. There are a number of scholarship available. For example, those who are admitted for PhD, they will get 8,000 rupees if they do not have any UGC or JRF. So if somebody have didn't clear the NET exam, they can get the 8,000 monthly as a fellowship, and other scholarships also there for the UG PG students. So you can see that the application procedure here, it is fully online application. In the description box I will give the online link so that you can click on that and then you can apply for it. So here comes the application fees. So for PG it is 300, and then PhD it is 500, MBA it is 500. So this is for SC/ST, and then person with disability and transgender need not to pay any fees. It is fully free of cost. For others it is 600,000 for PG and PhD, MBA. So you can see these all are some important details. We have to see that here comes to reservation. So it is based on the Government of India norms. There are some two things are there, like differently abled and Puducherry candidates. So they both have a special concession, they have separate reservation. The selection process also will be based on entrance test and then interview. So here comes the examination centers. It is across India, so people from various places can apply. So since we are in the COVID-19 lockdown, so the dates has been tentatively given. So you can see that the online registration date start from 8th July, it is already started. So the last date for registration is 31st July, and the dates for examination is 21st, 22nd and 23rd of August. So as I told, they have mentioned it is a tentative date. The circular came from register. So here the important note is that SARC country students, they are highly encouraged to apply. Here comes the special option for them. It is mentioned how much they have to pay in Indian rupees. It is 3,700, and other country students, they have to pay 7,400 rupees. And one more thing is like those who have differently abled, means physically challenged, they are fully, they're allowed to get fully free education. You can see that fully free education for all differently able students. So those who are in such a vulnerable situation, they can apply, and they can get good education in a central university. Thank you.